actual well done bacon. Look at this.
And I know it's soggy and it's
Disgusting. I paid $10 for this. I could have went out to eat.
Well, do you like your food?
It's okay.
Mm.
Oh, excuse me.
Why didn't you choose bacon?
It took us, what, 30 minutes to find something, and this was the closest thing.
And then the people he didn't even speak English.
His accent was tight, though.
No offense to nobody, but our food cold.
They gave me the whole raw onion on my sandwich. Bacon, not well done. Actual well done Wesley Snipes bacon, they give me raw meat.
So you want very crunchy?
I want it black.
Why?
I like it dark. I like it burnt.
My fries
So I can it's crunchy.
nice and crunchy. So you guys, you should ask us some questions, right?
What you like for us to
Do next.
do next? You gotta always have barbecue sauce. It's good with everything.
You eat barbecue sauce literally with everything.
Except cereal.
Have you tried it before?
It's disgusting.
I know. Might be good.
I'm gonna throw up.
Don't say nothing else. Nothing else.
You have throw up sauce.
Stop! For real, that's not my You should hate when people talk about caca
It's good for your stomach.
and why you eating like that's nasty. And they start looking like what you talking about. Ooh. See?
Your food costs more than mine. Mine costs $10.26.
How much mine was?
Yeah, I got a bacon cheese whopper, no mayonnaise, no tomato, well done. Which wasn't well done. A medium fry with a medium Coke, but I didn't get a Coke. I got a medium high C raspberry, and it was $9.68 plus 58 cents, $10.26. Then I got this. Where is my drink? I think someone stole it.
Well, we got a Whopper, bacon Whopper with cheese. You forgot that. And what I wanted, light mayo, which they didn't put like always. No pickles, no tomatoes, but they put tomatoes. A fry and a raspberry high C mixed with Sprite. And some buffalo sauce. And he got some nasty barbecue sauce.
I got this barbecue sauce. You got throw up sauce.
That's why yours look like caca.
Caca tastes good. Good.
And I also got
A
what's
plain
it called?
behind cheesecake
Who don't like cheesecake? That's plain. That's good.
for $1.99 plus tax, $2.11,
How much was yours?
and $211.
That's how much pounds we're gonna be when we get done with this.
I'm gonna work out
When?
starting Monday.
Okay. At what time?
I don't know what time. I didn't say what Monday. I didn't say what Monday.
Which Monday?
Mm.
Well, how was everybody Thanksgiving? What did you eat? I ate turkey, ham, stuffing.
I ate pig
Rice.
leg, goat, horse.
You did? Oh yeah, you went to your Jamaican people, right?
We had oxtails, 2 rices, collard greens. Stuffing, fried turkey, ham, The yams on the side. Sweet
Yams are
cornbread.
so nasty.
I don't like yams either.
Comment below if you like yams.
Some soda. Some H2O.
Oh
Some
my
cup.
god, you guys hear the amaranth?
Somebody about to die.
Don't say that.
God forbid.
I'm so sorry.
If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up. Leave comments.
Make sure you do what?
Thumbs up.
And what else?
Comment.
And what else?
If you have anything that you have to say,
Subscribe. We don't want to hear. Duh.
until then, stay tuned for the next video. But until then, I'm Pretty Boy O.
And I'm Precious Jules.
Have a nice night. Enjoy your food.
Good. You gotta turn it off. It's still going.